Oh solo, oh ya tu nama, oh ye la ya fu, oh ni kaseru zakula, amanga, praise wareti, se yo malau, se twendi, ujoli. Ujoni kumosi tukwenda ebaza inowe ebaza velela setwendi kujoni kumosi tukwenda ebaza inowe ebaza velela. Kimbo kima tatanzambi ya Mazulu. Siemi, brothers and sisters, Masa here. Mbote Yenge Kino. Brothers and sisters, oh, this is stuck. Oh, it stuck. So, that's not good. Okay, I think now it works. Brothers and sisters, Kimbo Kimata Tanzania Mazulu. My name is Mikael Massa. Today we're going to talk about different kind of things. We're going to specialize ourselves for the Kingdom of Congo. And now today you're going to know why we talk so much about the Congo. Today we're going to talk about the 12 tribes of Israel again. Who they are, who they are, where it was. I'm doing that because there's a trip coming, and I want to bring people to several places, so that we can take benefits of it, like we have done it before. We went to the Beulah land in the northern Angola. We're gonna come to that very very soon. We're gonna talk to it about it with a few words. It was an amazing trip. I think we're gonna start, brothers and sisters. This will be we're gonna use a lot of maps, so it will be a very very tough documentation. Yeah, very very tough documentation. So I want to start. I hope you're ready. Let me charge the computer before it goes off. Ingeta. Brothers and sisters, if the scriptures talks about the 12 tribes of Israel, did you really read the Ancient Testament? If you really did, then you're going to know that the Most High, 12 sons, 12 princes, the Most High has chosen, um, you know, people to rule in his country, or in his the land that he gave Abraham. Okay? And if you look closer, we have 12 kings. We have 12 kings. Brothers and sisters, this would be tough. There's no country in this world that had 12 kings united, especially on that time. You know? But in Africa, before the colonizers came, beyond the rivers of Ethiopia, we had 12 kingdoms. So I don't like that. It's shaking disturbs me a lot. I will just cancel this video and start a new one.